Let's take exercise of page number 139. Multiple choice questions. Let us start. Question number 1. The motion of a striker on the carom board is an example of. So when we play carom board, we use the striker. And what type of motion is shown by that striker? It's quite fast, and the striker, it moves exactly in a straight line. In whatever direction it is moving, it will go in a straight line. So the movement is forward and it is moving in a straight line, and such type of motion is known as rectilinear motion. Question number 2. Which of the following is an example of circular motion? So which out of these is an example of circular motion? We have studied that when an object moves along a circular path, it is said to be in circular motion. So let us see the options. Motion of the moon around the sun, yes, it is circular motion. Motion of the tip of the hand of a clock, yes, obviously it is also circular. Next one, the running of an athlete on a circular track. When he is saying that the athlete is running on a circular track, then we get to know that he is moving in a circular motion. So all these three options are the correct answer, but you will not tick all of them. You will see the next option, that is all of these. If you correct all these three, then you will not get marks. Your answer will not be marked correct, because you have to select only one option, tick the correct option, though all the answers are correct. So we will go with the fourth option, all of these, means all the options are correct. So answer will be D part, all of these. The motion of the blades of a fan is an example of. So when a fan moves, when the blade of a fan move, they move about a fixed axis without changing their position, and that happens in rotatory motion, because the blades, they are fixed at the center and they move about it. So such type of motion is known as rotatory motion. So the motion that is shown by the blades of a fan is called rotatory motion. So the answer will be rotatory motion. Next one, the motion of the drawer of a table. When we put out the drawer, when we put something or when we take out something, when we open the drawer or when we close the drawer, so the motion of that drawer is rectilinear. It always travels in straight line. It is going in straight line, so its motion is called rectilinear motion. When an object changes its position with respect to stationary object, it is said to be in inert motion, because we give the definition, we have studied the definition that when any object changes its position with respect to the stationary objects in the surrounding, it means that object is moving, that is not still, that is not at rest, but stationary means rest position. So with respect to all the stationary objects around which are at rest position, when an object is changing its position, it is said to be in motion. While the other objects, if any object is not changing its position, they are said to be in rest position. But when an object is changing its position, we call it that the object is in motion. So here, if the object is changing the position, it is in motion.